key facts about strawberries. Strawberries are a popular and delicious fruit known for their sweet and juicy flavor. They belong to the genus Fragaria and are often consumed fresh, but they are also used in various culinary applications, including desserts, jams, jellies, and beverages. Here are some key facts about strawberries. 1. Appearance. Strawberries are small, red, heart-shaped fruits with tiny seeds on the outer surface. 2. Taste. They have a sweet and slightly tangy taste, making them a favorite fruit for many people. 3. Nutritional value. Strawberries are low in calories but rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, dietary fiber, and various antioxidants. They are also a good source of folate, potassium, and manganese. 4. Health benefits. Strawberries are associated with several health benefits, including improved heart health, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and potential cancer-fighting properties. They are also known for their high levels of vitamin C, which supports the immune system. 5. Culinary uses. Strawberries are used in a wide range of dishes, including fruit salads, smoothies, cakes, pies, and ice creams. They are a popular topping for breakfast items like pancakes and waffles. 6. Seasonality. Strawberries are typically in season during the late spring and early summer months. They are often enjoyed fresh during this time, but they can also be frozen or preserved for consumption year-round. 7. Growing conditions. Strawberries are grown in various regions around the world. They require well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. They are often cultivated in strawberry fields or gardens. 8. Varieties. There are many different varieties of strawberries, including June-bearing, ever-bearing, and day-neutral types. Each variety may have slightly different characteristics in terms of flavor, size, and timing of fruit production. Strawberry festivals. In many regions and communities host strawberry festivals to celebrate the strawberry harvest. These events often feature activities, games, and various strawberry-themed foods and drinks. 10. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to strawberries, experiencing symptoms like itching, hives, or digestive issues. It's important for people with known allergies to be cautious when consuming strawberries. Strawberries are not only a tasty fruit but also a versatile ingredient in the kitchen, making them a favorite for both snacking and cooking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Till our next video.